Hey, what's up? It's the Nomad Brad, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make money from Clickfunnels fast in 2018, step by step. Sound good? Awesome. All right, so I'm the Nomad Brad, and I'm excited to show you this super cool technique. There's a really amazing, simple way to make money with Clickfunnels, and I'm talking thousands of dollars per month, and you can even get them to pay for your dream car, which is really cool. I'm working on that. So it's an extremely simple process. Literally anyone can do it. And I'm about to show you exactly step by step how to do it. Cool? All right, so first, really quick, let me explain the basic overview of what you're about to do and how you can really quickly get to anywhere from $100 a day to $1,000 a day in passive recurring monthly income. Okay, so step one, basically you're gonna become a Clickfunnels affiliate. So that means you're gonna get other people to sign up for Clickfunnels and you make a commission for each person that does. And that's super simple to do. All you have to do is start an account with Clickfunnels and you automatically get an affiliate account too. A lot of people don't actually know that. So as soon as you sign up for Clickfunnels, then you automatically become an affiliate for Clickfunnels, which is pretty awesome. And they even give you a 14-day free trial, so you can get started totally for free. And if you really work at it, then you can get your first commission before the trial is over. So next, you're gonna get people to sign up for Clickfunnels through your affiliate link. They also get a free 14-day trial, so it's pretty easy to get people to sign up. And Clickfunnels is run by the best marketers in the world. If you don't know, Russell Brunson. So their landing pages and products and services convert really extremely well. So now it's time for step three, the traffic. So next you're gonna get traffic to your affiliate link. So you may already have ideas for how to get traffic, but if you don't, I'm gonna show you some ways that you can do that. So I'm gonna show you in a second how you can get a free training to show you literally step by step how to get that traffic. So just stick around for another minute. All right, so step four is make commissions. So next, when you send traffic and people sign up for free trials of Clickfunnels through your link, if they stay on to the software, then you make a minimum of $38 per month of commission per person that signs up. So you can see that can stack up pretty quickly. So here's the super amazing part of the Clickfunnels affiliate program and why a lot of people are finding it pretty easy to make money with Clickfunnels. So when people opt in through your link, they actually also automatically get permanently tagged in Clickfunnels system as your lead. So when that person comes in, they get associated with your account forever. So again, Clickfunnels is run by Russell Brunson, one of the greatest marketers of all time, and he has tons of massively converting back-end offers. And they're obviously always mailing out to everyone who's using their service. So your lead, if they stay on with the service and stay on even the email address or email list of Russell's, then they're gonna get sent these different offers for the next months and even years. And anytime they purchase more products from Russell, you make a commission. So, and remember, Clickfunnels basically sells itself. It's already the most popular and well-known marketing tool on the planet. Nearly every business owner needs it or could find a reason to need it. And it's also a really high quality product that delivers awesome service and awesome things that just about any business, especially online business, can use. So the people that you sign up will actually be happy that they did. And a lot of them, part of the thing about Clickfunnels is once it becomes part of your business, you don't want to lose it. So people actually stay on for a really long time because once you build your whole business on Clickfunnels, it's really hard to leave. So it's a really awesome thing to recommend. And people, it's a great service. So you don't have to feel bad about recommending it. So now we're going to get to step five, and step five is to follow a step-by-step system for getting traffic and leads, literally within a few minutes from now, including several fast, effective traffic methods. Okay, so next I'm really excited because I have a free resource that's going to show you literally exactly what to do. See, you don't want to waste your time trying a bunch of stuff that won't work or that's going to take forever, and you want to make sure that you get custom tailored advice for making this exact business system work. So I got in touch with a master specialist who focuses on one thing and one thing only, getting himself and his students incredible success by promoting Clickfunnels. He recently left a lucrative job that he hated, of course, because he was making more passive income as a ClickFunnels affiliate every month than he was at the job. That's pretty awesome, I think. So this is basically his full-time job now, is teaching people how to get ClickFunnels affiliates and getting ClickFunnels affiliates himself. And he's always posting his and his student success stories daily in his Facebook group. And best of all, he wants to help you enjoy the same success. It's pretty awesome. He put everything he does to get sales on a daily basis into a step-by-step, easy-to-follow training course, which he has generously allowed me to share with you, which is sweet. It's 100% free, and it will show you within the next 15 minutes exactly how to start making money as a ClickFunnels affiliate and start generating passive income on demand. Plus, if you go through his training, he includes free access to his Affiliate Success Facebook group, where he'll offer support to help you get going and get your first commissions rolling in. So, does that sound good to you? I thought so. All right. So if you want to get started, look below this video and click on the link in the description below the video, or you can go to www.digitalnomad.rockstar.com/CF affiliate to download your 100% free course right now. So when you click on the link, you're going to go to this page right here, click on that big button, and you're just simply going to put in your email address, and then boom, on the next page, you're going to get all of your 100% free training on how to get started. And I'm actually going to have some free bonuses at the bottom of that training page as well that I've added to this guy's training on how to get traffic from even more of my favorite free and paid traffic sources, plus some other amazing goodies and downloads and resources. So also, you'll be signing up for my email list, and so I'm going to send you more awesome stuff to that email address that you sign up with that will help you grow your online business with traffic and any other cool stuff that I come across. So make sure you use a good email, because I make it a goal to provide amazing content that will blow your mind. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and click the link below to get started making money with ClickFunnels in 2018 and claim all of your sweet bonuses. Talk to you later.